Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. What are the messages for Virgo and what's going on? Lot of cards. What are the messages for Virgo? Under the deck, 5 of Wands, 8 of Wands, and the Devil and Page of Wands. There is lots of communication is coming in your way, Virgo, in future. And there is lot of drama is going, yes. And for some, this person is toxic for you. They're obsessed with you. For some, you are obsessed with them. But there is lots of communication is coming. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Lot of fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 4 of Wands, Judgment, and 2 of Swords. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. I think in past you are in some confusion and you have to make some decision, but there is no clarity. Maybe you are juggling between head over your heart, and in past everything is about decision because Judgment with 2 of Swords. For some, maybe you are going through some legal issues. Maybe your person is in and out of your life. There is no clarity from your person. And then present, Queen of Pentacles, 9 of Wands, and 3 of Wands. Maybe you decided to guard it up and you turn your back from your person, but you're still waiting on them because 3 of Wands. For some, lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. And Queen of Pentacles. Now you're total focused on your abundance and your money. You want to create more money. Then future, Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands, and the Lovers. Yes, there is love, but it is about more physical than emotional, what I'm getting here. But you are taking your control back. You are working on yourself, Virgo. And regarding your work life, you are very passionate towards your work and towards your goals. Now your total concentration is on your work, but still you are waiting on them. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 9 of Cups, King of Cups, 10 of Cups. Wow. So they're wishing for this connection. They want to offer their cup of love to you. They want a happy family with you. They want to marry you. This is one case. And another case, for some, they already married with other person. Children's also involved in this connection, but they still want you. For some, third party involved in this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Virgo. Emperor, Queen of Pentacles, 2 of Cups. And under the deck, 5 of Wands, 8 of Wands, and Page of Swords. They are spying you a lot if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, yeah, they are spying you. Maybe they are making their ways to come forward if there are issues between you and your person. Lots of communication And here communication is the key, because Five of Wands, lot of drama is going. Lots of communication is coming, and communication is the key. And the Emperor, Queen of Pentacles and Two of Cups, they are thinking about you that you are very independent person, you are very powerful person, but love is mutual. They are also thinking that you still love them, because Two of Cups, it's a mutual love between you and your person. So let's see their intentions. Six of Pentacles, Six of Cups, wow, Ace of Pentacles. They want to take this relationship to next level, and they will, because lots of communication and upgrade in relationship. They are thinking about you day and night, and they're thinking about marriage with you. Maybe in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe they treated you as an option, but now they really want to take this relationship to next level, Virgo, because Ace of Pentacles, long term commitment, and Six of Cups, they're thinking about marriage with you. So definitely lots of communication with solid offer. And yes, Knight of Cups, they have strong emotions for you, and Four of Wands, they want celebration, they want marriage with you. Wow, very positive reading. Yes, still there are some issues, but 75% it is very, very positive. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yes, Page of Swords. Children's also involved in this connection. Five of Cups. Now they are missing you if you are in separation, but there is lots of communication is coming. Yeah, right now they are missing you, but they will take action very soon if you are in separation, because King of Wands. Yes. Four of Cups. I think you are taking your control back, but still you are also missing them, and you are also feeling alone. Death. But you want to end for some. Definitely there is one type of ending. Maybe you decided to end this connection with this person, but they are coming back with an apology. It's up to you. For some there is clear separation. For some, if still you are in a relationship with this person, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. See, mutual. Wow. Yes, success, reconciliation. It is a straight message. Definitely there is a reconciliation. Lots of you, there is a success in this connection. Yes, there is forward movement. And I think you both are spiritually connected. This is a spiritual connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Virgo. Player, holding back. I can't give you what you need. This person is sneaky. I feel so alone. I have regrets. So the messages are, I have regrets. Player, holding back. I can't give you what you need. This person is sneaky and I feel so alone. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Balance spirituality and practicality, full moon in Pisces. So you have to balance spirituality and practicality. So if you are busy with your work day and night, this is the message. Balance both the things and you are good enough. Full moon in Virgo energy. So if you are feeling that you are not good enough, this is the message. You are good enough. Don't feel that way. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.